I know you're making progress in therapy, but Johnny is still attacking the other kids at school. I don't really know what to do when she bangs her head on the floor at home. I feel like I can't run a session without risking my own safety. As parents, educators, and practitioners, we're often tasked with treating severe behaviours of concern, which are causing immediate harm to the children or those around them. We need proactive, evidence-based, person-centered strategies, which focus on prevention and de-escalation to keep children and those around them safe and supported. Enter the Universal Protocols. In this workshop, you'll learn what the protocols are, as well as how and when to implement them in your practice. We will even work together on developing a plan for a real client or child of yours. Whether you've never heard of the Universal Protocols, or if you've already started implementing them, there will be something for all levels of experience. This workshop is suitable for any practitioners, educators, parents, or caregivers of children with behaviours of concern. I look forward to seeing you all in Adelaide in July.